Many Android users love Shizuku, but on Android 14, 15, and even Android 16, Shizuku doesn't always work as expected. If Shizuku keeps stopping, disconnecting, or refusing to start, this video is for you. Today, we'll look at the most common Shizuku problems and a simple alternative solution that works without root. Shizuku is an app that allows other applications to access system-level permissions using ADB without rooting your Android device. It is powerful, but on newer Android versions it can be unstable. One of the most common issues is Shizuku's service stopping automatically. This usually happens after screen lock, device reboot, or system optimization kicking in. Android 14 and above aggressively restrict background services, which causes Shizuku to disconnect. Another frequent issue is ADB permission denied. Even after enabling USB debugging, Shizuku may fail to connect or lose permissions suddenly. This is more common on Android 15 and Android 16 due to stricter security policies. Many users rely on wireless debugging to start Shizuku, but on newer Android versions, wireless debugging disconnects, IP pairing fails, or requires frequent repairing. If you're tired of dealing with Shizuku issues, there is a reliable alternative. iAdb provides ADB-based functionality, similar to Shizuku without requiring root access.